In this video, I will show you a wallpaper app which is absolutely free to download, and it offers a bunch of different categories like nature scene, iconic monument, animals, and many more also. Plus, this app has a very unique cool feature that makes it truly different from others. So, without any further delay, let's quickly jump into it. Alright, let's go to Chrome browser and on the search bar type Bing Wallpapers. Click on the first website that shows up. After that, go ahead and click on Install. Once your download process is completed. Here, on the installation part, you'll notice that two options are by default checked, which is not required for the app install. So, let's uncheck them and click on Install. Now, once it's done, click on Finish and close the browser. Here, you can see that the wallpaper has already changed. Now, you'll see a pop-up window coming here, mentioning that the app is now available in the system tray. Hover your mouse on this arrow and click on the Bing icon. From here, you can browse through some of the recent wallpapers that are shown, and you can pick your own favorite one which you like. Suppose you want to know any wallpaper details, you can check out it by clicking on this link. One most important thing that you have to do is just go to this settings icon and make sure that this option is checked. So, by this way, you will always get the latest wallpapers up to date. And the last thing that I have talked about is a cool feature of this app. For that, head to the taskbar, right-click on it, go to Task Manager, and select Startup Apps. Here, you'll find two options, Bing SVC and Bing Wallpaper. The Bing Wallpaper option might be disabled by default, so right-click on it and enable it. The other option, which is Bing SVC, is the best feature that I like, is that whenever you will be connected to your internet, it will automatically update your wallpaper and you don't have to do anything. But make sure that this service is enabled, otherwise it will do not work. And if you prefer updating it manually, then disable it. That's up for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such content and comment down below if you have any queries. Till then, click on these next videos.